What's something people don't know about financial freedom? It's achievable in just 7 days. Let's dive in. Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to choose how you spend your time. No more financial stress, just the power to live life on your terms. Welcome to Entrepreneur Mastery Hub, where we empower ambitious people like you to take control of their financial future. If you're tired of struggling, if you're ready to break free from the daily grind, it's time to discover a proven way to achieve true financial independence. With our turnkey affiliate system, you can build a profitable online business in just 7 days. No experience? No problem. We provide everything you need, from a fully designed website to high-converting products ready to sell. Ready to take the first step towards your new life? Join Entrepreneur Mastery Hub today and start your journey to financial freedom. Your future self will thank you.